we have a tropical storm that just appeared, apparently. Its name is Tropical Storm Helena, or Helene, or Helen. However you want. How? Pull up something. Wait.
Florida has a near total abortion ban, with no real exceptions for rape, incest, or the health of the.
So make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more correct pronunciations. In English it is said as Helene. Helene, stress on that long, lean syllable. In French, for reference, it is said as Helene. But in English, Helene. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful, it helps me immensely.
Okay, Helene. Yeah. Helene, Helen.
pronouncenames.com.
Hélène,
Helena.
Hélène,
Helena.
Hélène,
So it really could be anything. Yeah. So, Helena, sure. Here is the destruction path. No. Here is the cone, the wind cone, where it's gonna go. See, it's gonna go at like northwest Florida. So, yeah. It's not cool. We've already had two. Wait, no, we've only had one. We've had one this year, and we're gonna get another. Gonna get another, guys. Gonna get another. So basically, that part of Florida is going to get the hurricane warning. Oh, hurricane warning. It's going to get a hurricane, and those two parts are gonna get a tropical storm. Also these. Oh yeah. So yeah. See, that's where the general direction of it is going to go. Probably going to go Tennessee. In pretty much all of Tennessee too. It's probably gonna die out around here, near Arkansas and Missouri. Yeah. And its intensity, at its highest, it could be a Category 3, and the lowest, it could never be a hurricane, but it's going to be a hurricane, probably. Wait. So it's going to be a hurricane around that time, which is in 2 days actually. So, that's crazy. So another thing I want to show you. Oh my gosh. Another thing I want to show you is how the storm looks and what it's doing right now. So right now it's strengthening in this place, between the Yucatan Peninsula and down there. It's strengthening, And this was similar to a storm last year. I think it was Dahlia, which also strengthened here and came around there. Yeah. Storms are most of the time like predictable, so they follow a pattern. What I want to show you is the bubbling around the center. That means it's strengthening, as I said. Um, so the grays and the purples means the higher the clouds are, and the blues and the grays are like the lower clouds. So, Another thing I want to show you is the GFS and such. Here's an animation of it. Yep, right there. It's gonna be 972 millibars. And so, yeah, it's gonna be that. This is the rain that's gonna bring lots of rain. And yeah. Here's the total rain. So basically, that's a lot of rain right there. It's in inches, by the way. So up to a foot of rain. Wait, that's yellow. That's 2 feet of rain. That's crazy, bro. 2 feet of rain. That's insane. And in other parts of Florida, like Orlando, it's gonna get less rain. 2 inches maybe. And in these parts it get and in other parts of Florida it gets probably 5 inches of rain. So probably the average is like 5 to 4 inches of rain. So yeah, it's a lot of rain right there. A lot of rain. A lot of rain. Whoa. So here's the National Hurricane Center. What they see. There's also another disturbance over here, but that's probably not gonna hit Florida. Hopefully. I don't know. So here's Tropical Storm Helene. It's probably gonna, it's going to hit Florida, and it's gonna be a hurricane, I think. And there's also somewhere had different things. Yeah. This is a graphical disturbance one. Okay. 40% chance of formation in the next 48 hours. And this, here it is. Okay. So, here was the cone again. That was the cone. Here's the cone. it's just as we saw at the other website. There's peak storm surge. So, yeah, almost all of Florida's west coast is going to get some storm surge from Helene. And some in Georgia and South Carolina. But it's going up there, so it doesn't really matter. So let's start over here near Flamingo and Eaglewood and Charlotte Harbor. 3 to 5 feet. I mean, I'm 5 foot, so that's pretty high. I could swim, but Tampa Bay, is a slightly different problem there. 5 to 8 feet. You might need a few basketball players to carry you. But over here, you're done for. 5 to 10 feet of storm surge. That's like crazy numbers. Oh, let's not use full screen. That's like crazy numbers. 5 to 10 feet. That's as high as one floor. One floor. One floor. So basically, if you had a house on a beach, only the roof would be showing above that. And here, Cedar Key and stuff like that. 10 to 15 feet of storm surge. That's like consuming your entire house and the ocean if you live directly on the beach. So, yeah. Not cool, bro. Here's the wind speed probabilities. The storm is right there right now. And the entirety of Florida is gonna get some wind, maybe. So it's pretty intense around Tampa to Cedar Key, and just diminishes other. But still pretty intense throughout the entirety of Florida. Tropical storm force winds is like 39 miles per hour, and that's a lot. It's pretty fast. But most of the time they underestimate, in the other hurricane. Oh, it's actually a Category 2, even though it has 110 miles per hour wind in just one city. I think what they have is like an average of all the encounterings with wind. So, yeah. Here's the rainfall. And that's, like I said, 8 inches, or maybe international forecast. 12 inches locally, 10 inches locally. Woo! Ah! Yeah, that's a lot of rain right there. Flash flooding. It's probably gonna happen near Tallahassee and all that area. So, yeah, probably gonna happen. That's pretty much all I have to say for today. I'll probably make another video once it had made landfall and all the damages it made again. So, Let me know if you want to see another video. But for now, make sure to subscribe, and I will be tuning out.